Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lifestyle with Glow. Karibuni sana on this episode, and today we are going home. We're going to Kenya, so come with me as we go home.